Oil and butter fry for a few minutes. Few whole garam masala. Garlic ginger black pepper grind. 7 pieces of whole legs part. Slide in both sides. Salt to taste. 2 spoons of kabza masala. Mix and cook for 25 minutes. Fry 1 onion and keep aside. I am using Punjabi Khas brand basmati rice. Add masli to cup of rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. Alhamdulillah, chicken is almost done. Remove and keep aside. In a same pot, add little bit of oil, greens, chili, add rice and adjust water. Some food color. I'm using lemon yellow color. Covered in steamer until fully cooked. Fry chicken in each side for 5 minutes. In low flame, don't burn. Remove and keep aside. In addition, I am making salad plates. It looks nice and can be eaten with rice. Ignore the background. I am making some chutney, coriander leaves, parsley leaves, green chilies, garlic, tomatoes, grind together. Lemon juice. Salt to taste. Salad plate is ready. Mashallah, Bukhari rice is almost done. The smell is great and rice almost fluffy. The texture is almost like a restaurant. I hope you viewers love my cooking vlog. Please subscribe to my channel. Like and follow. Like, share, subscribe.